it's Max again. Buenas noches, amigo. Looks like we have one last request before we wrap this up. Turns out that many of our clients' clients are Spanish speakers, and they think that it would be a good move to be able to translate some of their content into Spanish, just their About page for now, and also give their users a way to switch languages for the general interface. Also, they'd like to replace the link My Account with just Account whenever it's used in the interface. No problem, right? Get this done tonight and I'll pick you up and buy you a milkshake on the way to the game. Okay, so there's 3 things we need to figure out. First, we need to change the interface to another language. Second, we need to be able to translate content. And third, we need to override specific text in the user interface. Now, to do all 3 of these things, we're going to need a few modules that come with Drupal core. So let's go to Extend, and I'm going to scroll down to the multilingual section. Alright, there's 4 modules that come with core. We're going to enable the language module, the interface translation module, and the content translation module. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Install. We get an alert at the top of the page that says the site has only a single language enabled. Add at least one more language in order to translate content.